not realizing I was gonna find a dress for my wedding over the weekend at David's Bridal, I ordered 2 dresses and 2 veils and some hair clips from, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm guessing it's probably Azazie Bridal online, and they sent me this package that wasn't supposed to be here until late March, but it came a lot faster clearly because today's February 12th. So it's a really nice box or wrapping paper. It looks like wrapping paper. Isn't this pretty? Bridal. And they give you a complimentary garment bag for each dress that you order. So I believe there should be 2. And they say even if you return anything, you could still keep these complimentary garment bags. So I'm like, okay. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. So this is the bag, or the box, the package. I'm about to cut this open and take a peek at what's inside. So this is inside, and I cut this piece of tape so I can open this up with you. All right, so there's a possibility that I may keep one of these dresses for like a second dress to change into. And they were very affordable. They were like under $300 each. And I'm not quite sure because it all depends on if I like it, if it's comfortable, if it looks good. And this is really nice packaging, by the way. All right, so it says, because they do customizations. I didn't order anything customized. I just ordered standard size dresses. But there, it says one of a kind. Oh, if you were to have something customized for you, you're not allowed to return it because it's made for you. But if you don't, you can return it within 30 days of shipping. I believe that's where they go from. One of a kind handmade gowns, exclusively yours, designed with you in mind. Azazie. And I don't want to ruin this just in case. And then this is a garment bag. Azazie Bridal. And there's a hanger. I guess they wrap it, they pack it for you in the garment bag, which is very nice. Here, let me find. So, kind of dark in here. But that's one dress. One dress. Hey, bumper. Here's another dress. And they give me really nice hangers. These are nice hangers. Oh, he's getting scared. And then, ooh! That's not going to work. So, I'll hang one here and one there. That works. And then we have something hidden in here. So I got this little card. What's in here? A little card. All right, it's a thank you card. That's cute. Thank you, Azazie. And then on the other side, celebrate with Azazie. We hope you love your dress as much as we loved creating it for you. Thank you for choosing Azazie to be part of your special day. Follow us, Azazie Official, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok. Thumper was smelling it. Hey, Thumper Bumper. And then that's my invoice. These are the little hair clips. Let's see one. Where's the other one? One hair clip. We got one veil. I'm not tripping, right? There's just one hair clip in here. There should be 2. I could have sworn I was getting 2 hair clips. And let me see one. Did it fall out maybe? And then, isn't this pretty? It says bride. And then, that I will show to you. And then here's one veil. And then Another veil. I may return the veils. I guess I only got one hair clip. But I thought I was getting two. I thought I was getting a white one and a silver one. Not. I still feel like I should have gotten two hair clips. Why is there only one? Bride Rhinestone Claw Clips. One. Maybe it is just one. But like online, they make it seem like you get two. Alright, so now I'm going to try on the dresses. I can't show you in case I decide to keep one. If I don't, if one's like ridiculously not comfortable or I'm not feeling it, I'll show you. But if not, I'm not going to show you just because I might wear one of them and have two dresses at my wedding. We'll see. Azazie. Bridal. Alright, I'm going to be straight up honest with you. This dress is way too big. And the back needs to be... Yeah, it's way too big. It doesn't look like it did on the mannequin, the model. And the back has way too much... I don't know, it just doesn't sit right. I'm definitely going to return this dress. Like, here, let me show you. Let me show you. Sorry, my hair is a mess. Yeah. Let me show you. Like, I'm only showing you because I'm not wearing this to my wedding. But you see what I'm saying? I got a 10 because I don't know if I'm an 8. I didn't know if I was an 8 or more. But even if I got the 8, it wouldn't have fit right anyway, I think. And it doesn't quite look like it did on the model. I don't like it. And when I looked at it, it said made in China, and I'm like, I thought this was a California brand. I thought this was a California brand. I mean, like, this is kind of big. I like the idea of the dress, but it's not like I thought it was going to be. And I'm actually very glad I wound up getting the dress that I got for my wedding, because this one's not going to cut it. It's not going to cut it. But the idea is nice, but like, I'm like, just this isn't right. Look at this. And I'm like, how do you close it? Oh, there's a snap up here. I had to turn the dress around. I had to like, you know, turn it around on me in order to get it to snap. But this spot here just doesn't look right. Yeah. I'm like, no. No. Like, I would have to bring this to a dressmaker to have it fit anyway. So I'm going to try the other dress now, and if I want to show it to you, I'll let you know. Okay, so this one was a little bit difficult to zip. Overall, look-wise, it looks alright. The front looks good. I'm not wearing a bra. I don't think I'd be able to. My first impression was the material. It isn't very, like, when I got arms down on it, it's not comfortable. The back's alright. I mean, if I don't wear a bra, the back doesn't look too bad. Not too low in the back. The only problem is I don't like the way the fabric feels. It's kind of like rough. And it's a little narrow for me, but it's not terrible. But again, like, it does look nice. It's just not, I don't know, it's not what I wanted to wear. It's not comfortable. But I like this better than the other dress. I'm going to return both of these. What else is there? Bunions. hold on. I mean, aside from my hair being a little messy, I feel like a Wish version of a bride in this. It just doesn't feel right. That's my honest opinion. I'm going to insert the links for this video in the description box, including pictures of what it looked like online, and you can, you know, use your own judgment on what you think, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you.